Hi there! Today I am so excited to be giving a tutorial on CommunityKC's website. And I'm so excited because this website, CommunityKC, is a fantastic tool that aims to connect projects, people, and resources. Its vision is for the revitalization of local neighborhoods, some that might even be in your neck of the woods. Which is why I hope to give you a tour that will spark awareness and engagement for CommunityKC's mission and for the betterment of the local communities in Kansas City. If you follow along with my cursor, I hope you'll see that this home page contains this map here. And this map here is a wonderful tool that they have created to help show you the regions in which the projects are located. And as you can see, there's a key right here to the right, which tells you about the project types. You have a little guide here telling you about the recently added projects. Oops, sorry for that. And you have up here their logo, their slogan, and the little sections that tell you all of the information that is located on this website. So it tells you about this map right here. You can see events. You can add an event. You can view all projects, add a project, and see some frequently asked questions and an about page. We will go over all of these tabs at one point in a moment. And you can also see that you can log in to add the event or register to get more information and things of that nature. Down here you have 3 of the main people who helped to start this website and are working on it. Now I want to tell you more about CommunityKC and what it is and what they do. So this mapping tool was created and designed to help connect people with each other. Because after all, when you're working on community projects and you're volunteering, things like that, you're better together. When you can add your resources, it will help to go much further than alone. And so they are really trying to identify potential partners and pair them up for greater collaboration within the community. It also helps local people to become more informed of their local projects and the initiatives going on in their neighborhoods or neighborhoods around them. This will help to avoid duplication of efforts, and it will help to network and share information about what's going on so that you can better serve the community. And again, it helps to show you that there are still good things in the world and good people who are just wanting to help people. It is really just such a great mission and thing to be a part of. So as you can see, I just went over all of this kind of stuff, and there's more about the map and how it was launched, when it was launched. You can read more about upcoming events and what they plan to do next with the website here at this link. And then you can also see that the community projects in this range, they're from large projects, completely redeveloped neighborhoods, or small projects like community gardens. They really honestly have such a wide range to fit the skills and abilities of people in the local community. Really the projects highlighted in this map, as you can see here, engage and empower residents to make a difference in the community. Honestly, if we can come together and be engaged, we are more likely to better the communities in which we live and the ones that are neighbors to us. And sparks a chain reaction of positive change. And as you can see here on the About page, they also have information. So they have an email that is info@communitykc.org. Again, that is info@communitykc.org. That you can contact them with questions, or you can call them at 9584. I'm sorry, that is 9584. So again, that number is 816-502-9584. And where you can speak to someone about more questions that you have about this website. You can also visit their fact page as shown, and you can access it on the link from the About, or you can access it at the top at the tabs. And these frequently asked questions are about who should use it, what is considered a CommunityKC project, how do you use the mapping tool, how can this help my organization to collaborate, who developed the tool, and what are future plans for the tool. And so And I'll just run over briefly each of the sections. So who should use it? This map was created for any organization working in the community neighborhood revitalization. So that includes, people who just want to get involved, civic in groups, faith-based groups, and community improvement districts, and even funding organizations. So it's really just anyone who is looking to be engaged or has an organization or knows of an organization that is really working to better the communities. Community projects are ones that occur on a regular basis to some extent, either annually or monthly or things of that nature. A lot of times these ones are not just one time. They're really trying to invest in the community, so they should be projects that are occurring on a regular basis. Some examples of that are cleanup events. There are community gardens to help, through the use of a garden, they can educate kids who may not have the best access to food or things of that nature on how to grow good produce, and it can help to better the communities that don't have as great access to resources. And again, literacy projects, cultural skills trainings, things like that. Those are considered community projects. You use the mapping tool. I will give you a little brief overview of it in a second. And again, it really helps to collaborate. And I really want to highlight that the people who developed CommunityKC, the majority of them are working on this on a volunteer basis. They have a real passion and a heart to invest in this, and they are so excited about it. And I'm excited about it too, and to be telling you about it today. Now I'm going to give you a brief little tour of the website. So again, on the home page you have the map. On the map you can click on any of the numbers, and then it will help them spread and show different projects that are within that region. Again, they are color-coded, and some of them have more than one project type. Under the events and add an event, you can add an event here, so you'll log in or you'll register with one of the following, and you will help to submit an event and create one that can turn into a project. Now they have, if the map is kind of fuzzy for you to work, they have a project listing, which I love because if you go, I'll show you the last page of it. There are 11 pages of projects that are going on. And if you click on them, like this youth leadership development one, it gives you the organization type, it gives you the address, the lead person, so a name of someone that you can contact, and their email address, which is really great. It really helps to connect you directly to the people who are working the projects. And it tells you, again, whether it's annual, what kind of project it is. Like this one focuses on education and sports programming for Metro Kansas City participants. They operate sports leagues and after-school programs, and they conduct workshops in health and nutrition, really serving to be mentors to better the community. Now I would like to show you how to search for a project by a project type. So if we go back to the map, there's a key here that tells you different types of project types. So you can search for a project type if you're looking for like a capacity building, the red ones, as you see here. Or you can go right here and you can search by, say you want a public health and safety project to work on and be involved in. You can hit, I accidentally hit go to map view. I'm so sorry. You can plug in that project type right here and you can hit submit. When you hit submit, ones will pop up. So the yellow is public health and safety. And as you see, this gives the project type listing right here. And the public health and safety is also healthy living or physical activity. So it can have different categories and different project types. Like this one is listed under public health and safety. It's neighborhood crisis response team, which is something that works on CPR, fire safety, and crime prevention in local communities. That is such an awesome thing to be knowledgeable about and be conducting, workshops on. So it's super exciting. And just again, as a reminder, the project types can be more than one. So if you see a color pop up and you're not thinking that's what it is, it probably is there. And like this project right here is also public health and safety. It's a garden farm, which is really awesome, again, for the betterment of the community. Now, if you don't like the map, you can go to the list view right here, or you can hit view all projects. So I'm going to click go to the list view. And on the list view, you can do the exact same thing. Public health and safety, hit submit, and the projects will pop up. Improved livability, you have safe routes to school, things of that nature. Again, an emergency response team, community garden, redevelopment, crosswalk, healthy campus, different things that are really aiming to spark change in the communities. And so again, this is the CommunityKC website, and I just really want to reiterate to you on their About page that the projects highlighted are to engage and empower residents to make a difference in their community. These people are volunteers. They are truly wanting to connect people and resources to spark change and create a better life for future generations. If you have if this tutorial left gaps or questions or things like that, please feel free to contact us at info@communitykc.org. Again, that is info@communitykc.org, or call at 816-502-9584. Again, that number is 816-502-9584. I really appreciate you watching this, and I hope you will. I hope this has helped to increase your awareness about the projects going on in local communities in Kansas City. Thank you. Have a great day.